Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome in cryptocurrency mining. Today we are going to show you how can you convert your cryptocurrency from USDT to Dogecoin by using the Binance. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Binance website. Okay, now I have already logged in with my account. As you can see, this is my account and also it's verified. If you have an account and it's not verified yet, please verify your account so you can get the or you can get the currency or you can convert the currency. Okay, now if you go to the fiat and spot, here as you can see, I have the balance, which is the USDT. I'm talking about the Tether US. So I have 20 Ethers available. It's a cryptocurrency and the value is a $20. Now, how can you convert from USDT to Dogecoin? That means how can you buy the Dogecoin by using USDT? Okay, now if you click on the convert, okay, now here as you can see, it's saying you have $20, 20 USDT available. I'm saying I'm going to buy the Dogecoin. Make sure if you want to buy, if you're planning or if you want to buy the BTC, just select the BTC from here. I'm going to buy the Dogecoin. That's why I have selected the Dogecoin. So I have $20. If I'm using the maximum amount, if click, it's saying you are going to buy the 73 Dogecoin. Okay, now I'm saying I'm not going to buy the. I'm saying I'm going to spend the 15 USDT and I'm going to buy the Dogecoin. Please preview the conversation. Click on this one. As you can see, it's saying 53 conversations. I'm saying okay, convert now. So as you can see, it's saying successfully converted, and as you can see, it's saying you have received 53. I'm saying view the status. So here, as you can see, it's saying you have converted from USDT to Dogecoin, and the amount is 15. The amount is 53.43 Dogecoin successfully. So I'm saying go to the fiat and wallets. So here I have 53 Dogecoins available. I have just converted, or in simple words, I have just purchased the 53 Dogecoin by using the USD. I'm talking about the Ether. So in this way, you can convert any cryptocurrency by using the finance. So I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. Thank you for watching.